back to our channel. Today we are going to make Oreo brownie. So let's go. Now we are going to tear out the biscuit. We are going to separate Oreo clean and throw it in that.
No, we are going to keep it in that.
No, we are going to keep it in that. We separate all this from the cream. Okay guys, now we are going to go and grind it. Empty the powder inside this. Pinch of baking soda. Next one pinch of baking powder. I like it. Now mix it. Like this. Now a condensation must be like this. Now a condensation, the batter should look like this. Now grease the bowl with some oil. Let's grease some more. The bowl. Okay, let's pour our batter inside the bowl. Okay, so it's bake this for 2 minutes. Brownies into the oven. Now close the oven. Cream what we took out inside the mixie jar. Now let's grind it. Add a little bit of milk and into the consistency how it is. Guys, so we need 2 dairy milks to make the chocolate ganache. Milk to the dairy milk and the ganache will be ready. Our cake has been baked fresh out of the oven. Leave it down to cool for 5 minutes. Cool down, cut the cake and eat it. Once it cools down, cut the cake into 2 halves. Spread the Oreo cake in the mix. Press the Oreo cream mixture on the cake and close it. And close it. Add the chocolate ganache on top and your cake is ready. Taste it. It tastes good. It's yummy and it's so delicious. Try it at home, guys. Bye. We'll meet you tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share to our channel. Bye.